क्या हो रहा है आजकल, क्या हो रहा है भाई?
आजकल मैं जो भी बोलता हूँ ये करता है।
अच्छा,
मेरे लिए करता है।
आप क्या क्या बोल रहे हो?
हाँ, मैं कुछ भी चाहता हूँ।
क्या चाहते हो आप?
कुछ भी पोर्ट चाहिए, एयरपोर्ट चाहिए।
Congress party seems to have two tongues, two standards and two faces. तो हम बस रेवंत रेड्डी से और कांग्रेस से ये पूछना चाहते हैं, जो काम राहुल गांधी वहां कर रहे हैं दिल्ली में, अगर वही काम हम लोग यहां कर रहे हैं तो आपको क्यों एतराज है?
Namaskar, good evening. You're watching Breaking Ground and I'm Swati Joshi. The Adani issue, ladies and gentlemen, has been Congress's #1 agenda since day one of the winter session in Parliament. The Grand Old Party, in fact, came up with creative ideas to mark their protest. Sometimes T-shirts, sometimes jackets, sometimes pollution masks and sometimes face masks, all of them blaring one message: Modi, Adani, ek hain. Despite being snubbed by its allies on the Adani issue, Rahul Gandhi, whose leadership in fact is now being questioned within the INDI bloc, along with his leaders, continues to question and even mock the Prime Minister outside the Sansad. But 1,500 kilometers away in Hyderabad, a similar protest with a similar theme against Adani and his alleged links with ruling party politicians was blocked. Only this time, the ruling party in question is Congress, and the man accused of having links with Adani is Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. BRS leaders were not just blocked, but also detained when they questioned the nexus between Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and business tycoon Gautam Adani. BRS Working President K.T. Rama Rao has called this a classic example of Congress party's hypocrisy. Well, this brings us to the top 5 questions, the big questions that we are asking at 5 p.m. Stalling Parliament on Adani and blocking the protest in Telangana. Rahul Gandhi's hypocrisy on Adani has been exposed. Let's move on to question number 2. Rahul bats for free speech, but BRS netas detained for peaceful stir in Telangana Assembly. Has Revanth Adani Bhai irked the Congress party? Rahul has mocked Prime Minister Narendra Modi outside the Parliament, has blocked Revanth Adani protest in Telangana. Has the Congress party lost the moral high ground to question the Bharatiya Janata Party now? Also, how can Rahul Gandhi propagate Samvidhan Bachao when Congress is blocking the right to protest of the opposition in Telangana? TMC, Samajwadi Party, these are allies of the Congress party. They have rejected Rahul Gandhi's Adani Raga. BRS has now opened a third front. Is opposition heading to a Congress Mukt INDI? Let's open this up and go across to our guest. We're joined by Mukesh Tyagi, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Dinesh Chaudhary, BRS spokesperson, Dr. Nikul Patel, Congress leader, and Ravi Srivastav, political analyst. Good evening to all of you. Dr. Nikul Patel, very simple question that KTR has asked. If this is what Rahul Gandhi is doing in the national capital, then why can't we do this in Telangana? What is your problem?
See, we don't have any problem. If you see Rahul Gandhi wearing a T-shirt into the parliament, he was not protesting or demonstrating. Over here, I think whatever feedbacks what I'm getting is that all people have gathered near one and they have marched as a protest or they have procession. If you are going to a parliament as a member of legislative assembly, you have to go alone in your car and you have to enter into the
So all these people who are standing outside the parliament wearing these T-shirts and face masks and jackets, and in fact today there are visuals that came in of a skit that was played out where one individual impersonated Adani. Legitimate, but when the BRS questions the Reddy-Adani link, that's when the Congress party gets irked.
See, we are not hurt by any link. Basically, Bharatiya Janata Party is now afraid of all the activity that is happening in the parliament and they are not having any word. So now they want to do the things which are not there. Secondly,
what are you talking about, Dr. Patel? Is it Bharatiya Janata Party in Telangana?
See,
Has Bharatiya Janata Party stopped BRS leaders from protesting?
I am talking of central level. The BJP doesn't have anything to do. That is why they used to start this kind of activity. Second thing, if you are going to a parliament with a procession, that is not the correct way. If you are a member of legislative assembly, you have to go alone into your car and then you will be allowed to enter. But
Look at these visuals that are coming out from outside the parliament and outside the assembly. Dr. Patel, outside the parliament also you see a huge gathering of the MPs who are wearing these t-shirts and face masks and jackets that say Modi, Adani, ek hai, and that is fine. And that is all right. Nobody has stopped the Congress party and others from, protesting in this manner. But when the same is being done by the BRS netas, they are being blocked, they are being stopped, and then they are being detained as well. Let me bring in Mr. Dinesh Chaudhary. Dinesh Chaudhary, Dr. Patel is saying, we have no problem, but then your netas were trying to forcibly enter the assembly. That's why they were blocked and detained.
What is happening today and what we are witnessing is the clear case of what we have been saying for quite a few times. In Telangana, there is an Ajab Prem ki Gajab Kahani. All over India, Congress fights against Adani and portrays him as a villain. But in Telangana, he is the darling son. You see, the same modus, what Rahul Gandhi has been, he is also wearing a t-shirt saying Modi, Adani, bye-bye and entering parliament premises. We have also adorned a t-shirt saying that Revant, Adani, bye-bye. Because let me come to the point which we have been trying to get across. All over India, Congress is saying Adani is a villain. But in Telangana, Revant Reddy very happily accepts a 100 crore check from Adani. All over India, Congress says Adani is the crony capitalist of Narendra Modi. He should not be allowed to continue this sort of monopoly. But in Telangana, again, they try to hand over land.
No, but as far as that 100 crore Adani funding is concerned, let me correct you that the Telangana government said they won't accept. But when you're talking about the hypocrisy of the Telangana government, I have to go back to Dr. Patel. Dr. Patel, the hypocrisy has been...
No.
Okay.
Let me come across this point once again.
Yes.
They have rejected the check after there was a huge uproar and Rahul Gandhi was cornered on the subject. But first they have very happily accepted it for quite a few times. And now in Telangana there's a very huge protest happening against Adani cement factory. But Revant Reddy
all right. So you're saying under pressure that was returned. Let me bring in Ravi Srivastava, and not just that. In Jan 2024, this year, 4 MOUs were signed over 12,400 crore with the Telangana government. And Rahul Gandhi has been campaigning against Adani from, before the Lok Sabha election. So is this not double standard and duplicity on part of the Congress party, Ravi Srivastava?
See, Swati, doing a legitimate business is not a problem anywhere. They can do in any state. They do it in Bengal also. They do it in Chhattisgarh also. There are several other states. In Maharashtra also they are doing. The fact is that what Congress is opposing is the crony capitalism in the way the airports, the ports, the mines, all such things have been given. And the media, the entire BJP has supported Adani for
That's very interesting, Ravi Srivastava, and very convenient also. So if you do business with the BJP or business with the center, then that's illegitimate. And if you do business with Congress-ruled states or opposition-ruled states, it becomes legitimate. And isn't the Congress party muzzling the voice of the opposition in Telangana?
If you do the business, if you do a crony capitalism, if you do it under pressure of the CBI, ED and income tax authorities, that is illegitimate.
So who's doing business under CBI pressure with Adani?
Of course, Mr. Adani is doing it. And it is not one case, the entire...
so is the opposition also building the CBI, ED pressure on Adani to do business with them?
And here is the one businessman who has been warranted by the US, who has got all the business...
Ravi Srivastava ji, is the opposition also building pressure?
In Canada,
is the opposition also putting pressure on Adani to do business with them? Are they also using agencies to put pressure on him to do business with them?
I told you in the very beginning, if it is a legitimate business,
That's
then
very
no state
interesting.
will
That's
have
what
a
I'm saying.
problem.
So if Adani does business with the opposition, it's legitimate. But when Adani does business with BJP or the centre, then that's when the opposition has a problem. Mukesh Tyagi, please respond.
You see, first of all, I think one needs to have a fundamental understanding. If you go and bid for any project, doesn't matter which state you are bidding in, they see your past credentials. And in case Congress has reached to conclusive evidence, he's a transgressor, he has swindled money, he has done all twist and turning of the bids parameters to win the airports, ports, and many other infrastructure projects, including floater projects, they should, first of all, not entertain such bid. First of all, there is a process to blacklist any party. Now, he's not been blacklisted anywhere. Why can't state ruled where the investment has happened in
Oh, he has
humongous
been
dimension?
blacklisted abroad,
No, Mr. Shivas,
not in
Mr.
India.
Shivas,
No, one second. Let him finish his point now.
Blacklisted
Mr. Srivastava, I did not
abroad,
interrupt
in
you.
Let him
India.
finish his point. 1 second.
No,
Government is his friend.
Raviji,
No,
one
you
second.
can't speak over me.
Raviji,
please.
1 second.
No,
Let
have
him
patience
finish.
to listen to me because you have got many gaping holes. You cannot bridge them because your entire history is tainted with the scams.
Okay.
In 10 years
Okay.
of
So
UPI
now,
rules,
Ravi
there is
Srivastava,
scams.
my question
Let me
is,
just
since you're
complete.
saying that he
Let-
has
just
been
complete.
blacklisted abroad, and you also said that if he's doing business legitimately with the parties,
Then you-
it's fine. So tell me now, an individual according to
Swati,
you who
I
has been
want to- I want to
blacklisted
finish.
abroad, will you ask Revant Reddy to cancel the business with him? Because you said he's tainted abroad, right? Will you ask Revant Reddy to cancel business with him?
Everybody wants a prosperity for his state.
That's very
But
interesting.
Prosperity.
if
at
it is
what
through,
cost?
if it is through a
Mr.
legitimate business,
Srivastava,
if
You
somebody
keep
is
you
doing-
keep shifting
you
the
are
goalposts.
yourself-
Either he's
you are
tainted or
yourself-
he's not. If he's tainted, then
you-
why
why
do
don't
business with
you-
such an individual?
Why don't you accept that you have no solid ground to challenge Mr. Adani's investment? You are
Sir,
unnecessarily.
No, once again, it's not right now. It's not about Mr. Adani's investments. It's about the duplicity. One second, Mr. Tyagi. It's not about. One second, Mr. Tyagi. It's not about Adani's investments. It's about the duplicity. It's about the double standards. Ravi Srivastava, if he's tainted abroad, according to you, you just said that he's tainted abroad. So if he's tainted abroad, will you ask Revant Reddy to cancel business with him?
Forget Revant Reddy.
Why forget him?
No, forget because
why?
instead of that, Mr. Modi should blacklist him.
This is very interesting.
Modi should
This is very
blacklist
interesting.
him.
Forget
Modi should
Revant Reddy,
blacklist
but
him.
target
That's
Prime
what
Minister
he has
Modi.
done.
Okay,
Charity
forget
begins at
Revant
home.
Reddy, just target Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Charity begins at
Revant
home.
Reddy-
You know what this does? What this does, and
No,
Nikul
no,
Patel,
it
please
does.
come
I'll
in,
tell you.
because what this
No,
does
this
is,
is a laughable
what this does
argument.
is put the Congress party. One second, in the
what-
spot. Is this
No, not
just?
at all.
Is this just for Modi Virod then? Because you don't have a problem with Adani in Telangana. You don't have a problem doing business with Adani in
I would
Telangana.
like to.
So
I
is
would
this
like
just
to
Modi
come
Virod?
with the point.
No, no, can
I
you
would
tell
like
me
to
under
come
what
with the point
charges
that
the
any
BRS leaders
businessman
have been
doing
arrested?
legitimate business
Can you tell
in
me?
the country has to
Can you
do
tell
it.
me under
Right.
what
Secondly,
charges the BRS
what we
leaders
are
have been
opposing,
arrested?
Rahul Gandhi rightly
Can
said
you
that
tell me
all
under
your
what
ED,
charges
CBI,
the BRS
IG is with
leaders
you.
have been arrested
You
today?
can
Arrested, you
investigate.
are
You
the
can
court.
bring the Congress
Sir.
government into.
Doctor, no, one second,
Sir,
Dr.
I would
Patel,
like to
Dr.
say,
Patel,
you
you
can-
either have a problem with Adani or you don't.
The real investigation.
No, you
is
either
not
have a
happening.
problem
What
with
is
Mr.
point
Adani
raised by
or you
Congress?
don't. Because,
I would like to say
because
the real
outside the
point
parliament,
raised by
before the Lok
Congress
Sabha
is not
elections,
being
after
taken
the Lok
care
Sabha
by
elections,
the
you've been
government.
continuing with
Why
this
they are not
campaign.
taking action,
You've been
whatever the
continuing
point
with
is
this
raised by
campaign.
Congress.
And on the
They are
other
not
hand,
taking
your
action.
governments are busy doing business with him.
You don't. First, try to listen. If you want to put your word, then you put first.
No, I'm asking you a
No.
question.
No, no.
First word.
I'm
If you
asking
want
you a
to
question.
give your
Respond
own
to that question.
If you want to
Mr.
give your
Adani
own
should be
perception, then
blacklisted
let
by
you
the
I'm
give
asking you a
your
question. It's not a
my point.
perception. I'm asking you this question because there are allegations now of double standards on your part.
I'm
Respond.
responding to that allegation only. Kindly listen.
One second, Mr. Tyagi. Mr. Tyagi, 1 second, let him respond.
So you have to
Yeah.
listen.
Mr.
also,
Tyagi,
please.
1 second.
We are here to put
Okay.
our voice in the form of our own party. So you listen first.
Absolutely. Go
I am
ahead. I'm
telling
asking you
that-
only this question. Go ahead.
Yeah, I am telling that Rahul Gandhi said that anyone in the country is doing illegitimate business has to be punished. And the power is with the central government, CBI,
No.
ED, IB,
What are you
everything.
talking?
Now when it comes to the business, whatever
What are
point
you
is
talking?
raised by the Congress, why
Swati,
the central government
state
is not
government
taking the action?
Okay,
Arey,
Dr.
it-
Patel, now tell me something. Now
I
tell me
think very,
something.
very
This
preposterous
question is
answer.
again to you,
Not taking
Dr.
action. Why
Patel.
not taking
Dr.
action?
Patel, let me
Because
ask you
they
something.
don't
Now,
want to take
now
action.
you've leveled several allegations on Mr. Adani, but it's your own chief minister in Telangana who's doing business with him. So you're saying that's legitimate and that's all right because it's a Congress-ruled state, and that's why the question
Again,
of hypocrisy.
I would like to say that it is your perception.
I'm
that we are
asking you a
doing
question.
illegitimate business. We are not doing illegitimate business.
You're doing illegitimate business.
we are
Okay,
taking
so
back
you're
whatever
doing
points
legitimate
raised by
business, but the
Congress
Bharatiya Janata Party is doing illegitimate business.
don't
But I want to bring in
build
Mr.
your own
Chaudhary.
person if you want to
I want to
support
bring in
Bharatiya
Mr. Chaudhary
Janata
as well.
Party.
Mr.
You can
Chaudhary,
build your own
Mr. Chaudhary,
person.
Mr. Chaudhary,
We are
the
trying to
response is
put
very
our
clear.
point that-
Since you also asked this question, Mr. Chaudhary, that why isn't Revanth Reddy then cancelling his business with Mr. Adani if Rahul Gandhi has been campaigning against him? So the response to that, Dinesh Chaudhary, is that business is legitimate.
No, Swati, what we are witnessing today truly exposes Congress party's hypocritical nature. You see,
We are not hypocritic,
Rahul Gandhi
man.
can protest in
Don't try to
parliament
make a wrong false
wearing a
statement. We are
t-shirt.
not hypocritic. You are making a false statement. We are
But
telling the
BRS
two sides of
MLAs
the
are
coin.
not allowed
You
into
want
the
to see
assembly
only one
premises
side of the coin. That is
wearing
not
the
correct.
same procedure.
You are not.
No.
You
अरे
are
बिल्ली
just want to put your
बिल्ली
own
सौ
words.
No,
तुम्हें
but
खा के
That is
हाथ
not
the
से
correct.
so-called
Okay, now allow the BRS spokesperson to speak.
Able to focus on it.
Allow, please allow the BRS spokesperson. Boliye, please go ahead.
Business can do, but
No,
it is
no.
not
The
happening.
so-called self-proclaimed custodian of the constitution, Rahul Gandhi, he can protest in the parliament wearing the same t-shirt. But his government in Telangana is not allowing our member of legislative assembly to enter into the premises. And my dear Congress friend, he should know, members can enter en masse on foot.
Yes.
They need not go necessarily in car only. Please educate him. Members can enter en masse into the assembly premises on foot. And this has happened.
And we have
three
seen
times.
such protests in the past. We have seen such protests. Ravi Srivastava, please respond to that. How can Rahul Gandhi do it in Sansad, but not the
Let
BRS
the-
MLAs in Telangana Assembly?
let the BRS friend tell me under what charges these BRS MLAs have been arrested.
Prevented, my friend. They were not
No,
allowed
you
to
tell
enter
me.
the assembly
You
premises
tell me
wearing
the charges.
They were
You
detained,
tell
Ravi
the
Srivastava, but
charges.
why should they be
No, no.
detained?
Is the Adani-
Why should you
Adani
not allow
protest is
them?
the charge?
Why
Tell
should
me.
you not allow them to
Anti-Adani
protest?
It is our
protest is the charge.
prerogative. It
Tell
is
me.
our prerogative and our right
Tell
to
me,
protest.
tell me.
Why should they
Don't-
stop us?
If you are
Why
arrested
should
for
they
law
stop
and
us?
order, if you are arrested for
Isn't
law
this
and order,
Congress
then
party
you don't talk
draconian
about
That is
law.
very interesting. Ravi
if you talk
Srivastava,
about
the
Congress
basic
party
question,
draconian
the
law,
basic
If you are-
question that the
if you are
BRS
breaking law
spokesperson is
and order,
asking you,
then you don't talk
but
about
Ravi
Adani.
Srivastava, it's a very basic question. If Rahul Gandhi can do it at Sansad, why can't the BRS MLAs protest in a similar manner
There is
in
a- There is
Telangana?
a difference. There is a difference. If Rahul Gandhi is breaking the law, you arrest him.
So Rahul Gandhi is breaking the law?
No,
What law
he is
did we
not.
So is Rahul Gandhi breaking the law?
How do you know these people are not breaking the law?
I am asking you,
What
sir,
did
since
we
you
break
seem to be an
the law?
expert here on who's breaking the
I'm
law.
asking.
Has
Let
Rahul
the
Gandhi
BRS
broken the
friends
law?
say. No, he
what
has
law
not.
did you
I'm
break, Mr.
asking these
Srivastava?
BRS friends, have they
Do you have
broken the
any
law?
idea?
Under what
Do you
charge
have
they have
any
been
idea about
arrested?
the rights of the legislator?
I have idea. You tell me under
Do you
what
have any
charge they
idea
have been
about the rights
arrested.
of a legislator?
Brother, you tell me under what
Can you,
charge
From
one
they have
second,
been
Ravi
arrested.
Srivastava, are you saying they should not and they cannot protest?
No, they can protest, but they cannot break the law and order.
Which law have they broken?
What law
Tell
did
me.
we break?
The charges should know.
Sir, you throw some light on it because they have
What
been,
law did we
they were
break?
No, you
detained.
take Mr.
What we
Revanth
know is
Reddy
that
on
they were
line.
detained. What
You
we
take
know is
Mr.
that they
Revanth
were
Reddy
detained,
on
Ravi
line and ask
Srivastava
him
ji.
which
Are you
law they have
saying
broken there.
they are not allowed to protest?
Everybody is allowed to protest,
But they
if
were
you
not
break the
allowed.
law
They
and
were
order-
blocked. That's
No,
what their
but-
charge is. That's what their
the charge
allegation is. Their
Where
allegation is that they were not allowed to protest and they were detained. Because
Right.
they were questioning,
Where-
because they were
that-
questioning and saying Revanth Reddy, Adani, bhai. Now let me
No.
go back to Dr. Patel and then a quick response.
You cannot make a long charge. You cannot make a long charge.
One
like
second.
this.
Let me go
were
back to
not
Dr. Patel and then a quick
protesting.
response from Mr. Tyagi on that. Dr. Patel, is this really, the classic example of misplaced priorities on part of the Congress, for which the allies already have made it absolutely clear that they're not going to take part in any of your protests, that according to them, this issue is not even the number one issue. There are other bigger
Congress
issues that the
is a
Congress party
hypocrite.
should raise.
Congress
And in
party
fact,
is a
they have now started suggesting that Mamata Banerjee should become the leader of the INDI bloc and are extremely critical of Rahul Gandhi's leadership. Is this the reason, the misplaced priorities and the leadership?
There is no misplaced priorities. I would like to say that in Parliament, all points are being raised. Adani is one of the important point which Rahul Gandhi is raising since long. It is not for the first time he is raising, but Bharatiya Janata Party is not ready to come and discuss the issue on the floor of the parliament. Secondly, we have seen how Supreme Court had given a guideline and SEBI chairman come into the we can say that into picture, and we have seen what happened. Secondly, our allies, if they wish that we'll go together, we'll discuss, and if Mamta ji wants to take the lead, then she can submit her submission.
So it's not as
Rahul
simple
Gandhi
as you're making
himself-
it sound. It's
Rahul
not
Gandhi
as simple
himself
as
is
you're
a good
making it
leader,
sound.
and
They are
he is
extremely
making
critical
his-
of the
he is
manner in which
making
the
his point
INDI is
very
functioning.
clearly on the floor
Dr.
of
Patel,
parliament as well as in
Dr.
the
Patel,
entire
your
country.
allies are
I don't understand.
making it
I don't
clear
understand
every
why-
single day.
I don't understand
Every
why you
single
have a
day, there are
question
statements coming
that
in
whether
reminding
he
the
can lead or
Congress party
not.
that how this
He
is not a
leading the
priority
country
for
from
them.
the front. He is leading the country from the front. I don't understand why you have a question on
Then
it.
he should have let the BRS MLAs also lead from the front, because they were also questioning Revanth Reddy and Adani link.
If you are protesting something in a mass, you have to stand outside. Only MLAs can go inside. That I know very well.
Okay.
But if you want to push everything
So
inside,
you're
then
saying-
that is
so
not
you're
the correct
saying-
way.
so you're
And the
saying what-
government has to
so you're
maintain the
saying
law
what
and
was
order.
happening-
And that is why it was arrested.
Dr. Patel,
I
you're
would
saying
like
what
to
was
make
what is
my
happening
BRS person
outside
very
the
clear.
parliament. So you're saying what's happening outside the parliament, including the skit that we saw mocking the prime minister, that's genuine and that's fine and that should be allowed. But what the BRS MLAs did, that's not legal. That's not as per law. Is that what you're saying? Please respond.
Again, I would like to say, if you are an MLA and a group of MLA, you can enter the legislative assembly.
Mr. Chaudhary, then
If you see
Tyagi.
the entire episode, would you like to let me complete first? If you want to ask questions, then let me
the
complete first.
gentleman that only our MLAs were wearing the T-shirt and trying to go into the assembly. He doesn't know the
But
facts and he speaks on the
you
nation
are
media.
standing in the mass gathering outside the
Only
legislative
our
assembly or not?
MLAs,
Let me know
only
first.
our MLAs
If you are
wearing the
coming to
T-shirt were
encourage
going into
people
the
and
assembly.
party
Please get your
protest,
facts right.
That is not the
Do
correct
not
way.
become a pappu like
If you are
Rahul
coming
Gandhi.
to the entire people
Do not become a pappu like Rahul Gandhi. Get your facts right.
assembly and want to disrupt the legislative assembly. That
Get
is
your
not
facts
correct.
right. Do not
Only
become a
MLAs
pappu like
can
Rahul
go
Gandhi.
inside.
Only our MLAs
That
were
is
going
what
inside.
We have tried to maintain the
Only
law
our
and order
MLAs
in the
were going
legislative
inside.
assembly. What do you want to say?
Only our MLAs were going inside. Please don't become a pappu like Rahul Gandhi.
Legislative assembly, if you want to take law and
All
order
right,
in the
gentlemen.
hand, that is not the correct way.
Okay.
तुम्हारे पास- मैंने
Okay,
थोड़ा
okay, one
सा
second.
you
Okay, so
know,
Dr. Patel, Dr. Patel, are you saying? Okay, so Dr. Patel, then let me ask you, is the Congress party okay with the BRS protest saying Revanth Reddy, Adani, bhai? You just have a problem with the manner in which they protested, right?
No, they have a due right to protest. It is a democratic right.
Right.
We are not against it. But when it comes to protesting in a different way, you can see how they have gathered.
So the issue is not a problem. So the
Taking
issue is
law
not
and
a problem
order
to
in
you?
hand, it was the government's
So
responsibility.
Revanth Reddy,
If any mishap
Adani,
had happened,
bhai,
if any stampede had
issue
happened,
is not a problem, manner is a problem. Is that what you're saying?
You can see only our MLAs were
One second, Dr. Patel, is that the problem? Issue is not a problem. Are you saying that the issue is not a problem, only
They
the
can
manner?
wear the T-shirt, they can come outside, sit in the legislative assembly, but they have gathered in the mass gathering outside the legislative assembly
Okay.
to have a protest.
Okay. Mr. Tyagi, respond. Mr. Tyagi, respond. Whatever is happening at Sansad is fine. It's as per law. I mean the protest wearing those T-shirts which says Modi Adani ek hai, wearing those masks, and even that skit where the Prime Minister was mocked, that is fine. That is as per law. What happened outside Telangana Assembly is not legal. That's not the legitimate way to protest.
Indirectly, they are establishing that Rahul Gandhi, whenever he protests Modi Adani connection, nexus, like Ek Hai to Safe Hai, when he brought out Adani's photograph, Rahul Gandhi should be arrested. The way they have arrested these MLAs, legitimate MLAs, by simply displaying. Now look at the investment history of Adani in Congress-ruled state. In Rajasthan, they invested 65,000 crores. Did you cancel that? In Maharashtra, Dicky Port they bought. Did you cancel that? In Chhattisgarh, you were ruling Chhattisgarh. And then, the forest reserved area was given. Did you cancel that? And who was the minister at that time? Jairam Ramesh. He was the Ministry of Environment. He endorsed in the prohibited areas. So you look at your own history, peep into your own Gireban. So you guys have dug up the graves of this country. You have looted the coffers. You have before tented. 9 scam tainted. Now, Mr. Adani is indicted in US court. You should understand the fine differentiation between conviction and indictment.
Okay.
He is not being blacklisted. And if you have the guts, cancel all the investment in the states of Congress rule.
Okay.
Don't call Mr. Adani. You guys are hypocrites.
Okay, all right. You know, that's all the
multiple
time. That's all the time we have for the debate. Gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us. BRS MLAs were not allowed to protest, and they say what Rahul Gandhi is doing in Delhi is exactly what we were doing in Telangana. So what is the problem here? Now, the BRS MLAs have also alleged that this is nothing but double standards and hypocrisy on part of the Congress party. With that, we're wrapping up debate number 1.